Hello, my name is Jim Amberg, and I will today be showing you how to use the website ClassDojo. Now, when you're in a classroom, you're going to want to find a tool that helps you to manage the kids' behaviors. Now, this is a perfect tool, and I'll show you how. Now, as you see, this isn't a real class, but I've used their demo set to show you how it's used. Now, you have your select class. Normally, when you first start out, they'll all start with zeros, but I gave them a couple points. Now, this is given by clicking on their name, giving them on-task behavior, participating, and working hard, or you can also take away points. You can change this to negatives by off-task, taking out a turn, and unprepared. Now, you say, well, this isn't that many. There's other behaviors. That's true. You can add other behaviors that you see fit, and they can also go up by more than one or down more by one. It just really depends on what you decide to do. Now, also by using this for behavior, you can also use it for other things. This can also be used for attendance. So when you have your early morning attendance, you can use this to do it. And it also helps so when you give group points out, they will not be given that. Now, another thing, when you're trying to check for readiness for students, you can also use their randomize button, and that will help you keep it unbiased and giving it points to whoever you decide fit. You can also use timers. Timers are useful for activities such as reading, trying to give students time for math activities, stations, anything you can think of. You can also use stopwatches for anything from running records, anything that you would just like the students to see it. Now, from that, you can also have teachers subscribe to your ClassDojo. This is helpful for when you want teachers or parents to be on board with keeping your students' behavior how you want it in class. You can message them that day in class, after class, doesn't matter. They can also message you if they're coming back with stories and you'd like to clarify something. Class story is used for keeping the teacher or the parents up to date on what you're doing in class, to show them that you're progressing, and it also is good for reference that you can say, oh yeah, we already did that. Now, my last and final bit for ClassDojo. This is a great tool. I've seen it used in class. I also do not recommend that you have students take away points in front of their whole class. Although you do want them to stop the behavior that you're doing, it is not good to demoralize or, have their students look down upon them when they're taking down their points. Thank you, and this was a demonstration on how to use ClassDojo.com.